Winners of Filmfare Awards are loser in national awards. Ranveer Singh. This Bollywood actor went to his home after the award night with the Black Lady, the Filmfare Award, for his performance in Gully Boy. Not only Filmfare, several other Bollywood shows gave this actor Best Actor award for his performance in Gully Boy. While many people troll Filmfare for only awarding Gully Boy's cast and crew members, national awards completely ignored the movie. The Best Actor award on 67th National Award is given to extremely talented Manoj Bajpayee for Bhosle. Deepika Padukone. This Bollywood actress won several awards including Filmfare for her performance in Sanjay Leela Bhansali's Padmavat 2018. But that year, the national award for the category of Best Actress went to Kirti Suresh for her outstanding performance in Mahanati. Alia Bhatt. Last year's Filmfare Awards was all about Gully Boy cast and crew winning the Black Lady, which offended many people. Alia Bhatt too won the Best Actress award for her character Safina in Gully Boy movie. But 67th National Award chose to give their prestigious award to Kangana Ranaut for her performance in Manikarnika. Ranbir Kapoor. In 2019's Filmfare Awards, the makers chose to give the Best Actor award to none other than Ranbir Kapoor for Sanju. While that year, the respective jury of national awards chose Vicky Kaushal for Uri and Ayushmann Khurrana's impeccable performance in Andhadhun. Ananya Pandey. The debutante received lots of awards including a Filmfare for her debut movie, Student of the Year 2. And people thought it was a complete undeserving choice made by the makers of Filmfare as she is a star kid. Abhimanyu Dasani. This star kid too won Best Debutante award for Mard Ko Dard Nahi Hota from Filmfare. And most of the people thought that Vishal Jetwa for Mardani 2 was more deserving than him. Zoya Akhtar. She won the Best Director award for Gully Boy at the 65th Filmfare Awards. While National Awards chose Sanjay Puran Singh Chauhan for Bahattar Hurain. Remo D'Souza. Remo D'Souza won the Filmfare Award for Best Choreography Award for his song Ghar More Pardesiya from Kalank. But the jury of 67 National Award chose Telugu movie Maharshi starring Mahesh Babu and Pooja Hegde for Best Choreography. Gully Boy. The 65th Filmfare Award almost gave every award to this movie and its star cast and crew members. The movie received awards in every category and people found it very unfair from Filmfare's side. Gully Boy received the Best Film Award from Filmfare, while National Awards chose Chichore as the best movie of that year. For the last few years, Filmfare Awards is being blamed by people for being unfair and for giving undeserving awards. Do you think the same way? Let us know your thought in the comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates from Bollywood.